In this slide, we're comparing two commonly misunderstood keywords in C#, var and dynamic. Although they look similar, they behave very differently in terms of type resolution, safety, performance, and error handling. Let's start with the left side, the var keyword. When you use var, the compiler determines the data type at compile time. The type is inferred once, and then becomes fixed and strongly typed. In this example, the compiler infers x as an int. Even though we didn't write int, the variable is still strongly typed. Strongly typed and safe, because the type is known at compile time, var is safe and reliable. You get full IntelliSense support, and if you make a mistake, the compiler catches it before the application runs. This makes var ideal for enterprise applications, LINQ queries, and performance-critical systems. Here's the core difference you must remember. Var type is fixed at compile time. Dynamic type is resolved at runtime. Everything else flows from this single concept. Now let's move to the right side, the dynamic keyword. With dynamic, the compiler does not determine the type at compile time. The type is resolved only when the program is running. Notice here, the same variable holds an int first, and then a string. This flexibility is powerful, but it comes with serious risks. Runtime binding also makes dynamic slower than var, especially in large or high-performance applications. Performance-wise, the difference is clear. var uses compile time binding, so it's fast. Dynamic uses runtime binding, which adds overhead. That's why dynamic should be used only when absolutely necessary. To summarize this slide, a var is compile time, strongly typed, safe, and fast. A dynamic is runtime, flexible, risky, and slower as a best practice. Use var by default. Use dynamic only for special cases like JSON, COM objects, or interop. If you're asked this in an interview, say this confidently. var resolves types at compile time and remains strongly typed, while dynamic resolves types at runtime and bypasses compile time checks.